So who can tell me what a computer is for?
Okay.
Clap for her. Paulina says a computer is used for learning. Is it true? Yes. Very good. Who again? Again. Yes.
No, I'm trying. Yes. Yes, you guys are trying. Can you explain last one?
When you want to replicate, then you process it then it goes now.
Yes, that's it. Simple as that. Let's say for instance, this is an information. It is an input. What is it? Now we want to store it. So straight from here, it stores it. Okay? We are forwarding the processing. Okay? When your input, you want to store it, it goes straight to back. Where do you go? You just go to what you store.
You tell me what a computer is. It's on the board. My lady. Good, clap for her. So now you all know what a computer is.
Yes.
So if I clean it and ask you what a computer is,
Process information for future use.
that's what it is. The definition of computer, everybody is going to define what a computer is.
Computer is an electronic device which accepts data and store into your computer.
Clap for her.
Information is something stored or stored.
Let's give me one part. Give me the other part. Okay. She said what? Information means what? Something what? So, is that something told? Or what? State. Very good. He explains what? Information. It's something told or state. You get it? Something told or state also comes out from the word inform. Informing, like what you said, informing somebody something about something particular. It's the same thing as what? Something told or what? State. So you are what? Informing the person. You are telling the person something, or you are stating something to the person about maybe something happened. Something told or what? State. You understand? Very good. Now let's take communication. You see the way I'm taking time to what? Explain each of them. Communication. What's the meaning of communication? Maybe we are even doing this right now. I'm doing this. No. You can explain communication to me.
Giving out information.
Okay, let's do it. It means what? Giving out information. You understand? Giving out information. Okay, now technology. That's the last one. Okay, we proceed. Technology. What's the meaning of technology? Technology. You said everything. You come for it. What? Say it again. I want you to say it in the hearing of everyone.
Technology is the use of science to create energy resources, machine and gadgets to satisfy the needs.
Very good. Let's all say it after. Technology.
Technology is the use of science
To create energy resources.
to
create energy resources. Machines. Gadgets. To satisfy the need of man.
So the use of what? Science to create energy resources to satisfy the needs of what? Man. So energy resources like what? Give me an example. Energy resources. Like car. You understand? Like car. Electricity. You understand? Everything, solar, like everything about technology. Electricity, car, even generator, everything. You understand? So I hope you've written it. I'll write it for the board.